Hey everybody, it's Tom and T from Show Me Coasters, and today we are at Six Flags St. Louis for Media Day for Catwoman Whip.
Six Flags St. Louis. So come along with us for this great ride.
Up here, guys. You can see everything.
This is amazing. Absolutely amazing.
It's shorter than the skyscraper, but it's
yeah.
the same height.
Woo!
So this ride is 164 feet high and runs at 52 miles per hour. So
it is quite the intensity.
Yeah, it's long. It's a,
whoa!
Oh my God!
Oh my goodness! Oh. It's definitely fun. This is a really great ride. I really encourage everybody to experience this.
So you get forward.
So the ride cycle for this ride is 4 minutes total. You do 2 minutes, and then you'll pause at the top, and then they'll load the bottom gondola, and then another 2 minutes, and then you're done.
Now we're going forward.
And you reverse this direction. So you'll start off counterclockwise, like we just did, and then we'll go clockwise.
Oh, here we go.
But the view from up at the top is just absolutely amazing. You can see all the way to House Springs from here.
You do feel like all sorts of zero G, positive G, negative G.
Yes, it's great. It's such a fun ride. I'm really happy that I got to come do this today. Woo! Oh! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh, that whiplash is something else right there. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Woo! Whoa! Oh my God! The second half of this ride is way more intense.
Faster!
Oh my goodness! Whoa! Oh. Hey, that wasn't so bad.
About 5 cycles.
Oh my God. Yeah. They'll start slowing us down more. And we're really lucky because it's now starting to rain.
So, folks, thank you for joining us on the on-ride here at Catwoman's Whip at Six Flags St. Louis.
This is absolutely amazing. You've got to come.
So folks, we're here at Six Flags St. Louis today for Media Day for Catwoman Whip. I got to ride it along with T, Travis, and Kalaheo from Destination Thrills. Thanks for joining us today.
And Channel 2.
and with Channel 2.
MSL, the legends here.
Yeah. So what'd you guys think?
It's, it's fast. I like it. It's but if for those people that's afraid it might be too tense, for us it didn't spin that fast.
Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like a 40 free spin where you're just like flipping ridiculously crazy for,
right.
30 seconds at a time. It gives you some time in between the spins.
I think the seat is almost like a counterweight, the bottom heavy. So when you spin, then it comes back. Again.
Yeah.
So it
Levels
doesn't
out.
continue. Yeah.
The only time I thought it was really almost too intense was when I was flipping backwards.
Yeah, the backwards is a lot
Yeah.
better. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
probably the most intense is going backwards. The front flips are cool too, but that feeling of just kind of getting whipped back.
Yeah, it's
Pretty
very
wild.
disorienting.
Yeah,
it's very disorienting.
You can see
That's
when you're
where-
flipping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we were up there for at least 8 minutes.
Yeah, we got like 8
We
minutes
had
on
to
it.
Film two cycles. So I was like, oh.
Yeah, that was pretty crazy.
It's really intense whenever you hit it and it slows down and it just kind of hangs you.
Yeah.
Like you're about to flip backwards.
Yep.
It's definitely height scare.
Well,
Yeah,
well,
it's
we
definitely-
had to sit up we had to be at the top for 10 minutes while they loaded the
That's
news
nice.
crew down below. And we were talking up there, and we were like, it's a lot different being up here, and like, why did we agree to do it for 10 minutes? But it'll be fun when that's kind of the ride experience. That's gonna be fun. Is also while you're waiting for others to load. You're
Right.
gonna be up there, kind of waiting, feeling it, kind of wobble back and forth. I think that's pretty neat.
But what they're saying is it's a 2-minute wait.
Yeah.
Once they get this thing going, it's only like a 2-minute wait
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
at the top. So you're not like stranded up there for an
You guys know
eternity.
the zero G up there a few times? It's like
A little bit. I felt positive
Airless.
G's actually.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
airless.
Yeah, I had both. I had negative.
Yeah.
I was.
The
weightless.
positive G's I thought were pretty, like a lot more intense than I
Yeah.
expected.
So, Catwoman Whip is 150 or 164 feet taller, 50 meters, and it has a top speed of 52 miles an hour. And you feel that 52 miles an hour too,
Yeah,
boy.
yeah.
Whenever you're coming down into the station, it's intense. It's a great ride. So, what do you guys think? People should ride this?
Oh, absolutely.
Give it
Yeah.
a chance.
It's definitely well worth the
Definitely
ride.
something
You
need
know,
for
the
Six
height.
Flags
Yeah.
St. Louis.
Yeah,
Yes.
you're not going to experience this type of like feeling on any of the other rides here. So
Yeah.
you're going to have something different to enjoy while you're at the park.
You think this is a great addition?
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely. Yeah,
Absolutely.
I agree too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Colin and I said it's like a scream and swing mix with a slingshot.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be a good one. It's not completely going to replace Superman for me, but it's still up there. And if they're going to replace it with anything, this is pretty.
Yeah, this is a pretty good.
Yeah.
I would like to see them bring another Superman back.
Yeah.
To the park. There's plenty of areas here where they could sneak one in.
Well, and it looks beautiful, and I can't wait to see it at night with the lighting package because I think at night this is going to be a really cool thing to see in the backdrop flipping around.
Yeah. And the great thing is for tomorrow night and early Saturday morning, they have the exclusive ride time for pass holders and members.
Yeah.
So that's your chance to get out and ride this before it opens to the public. This does open to the public on Saturday at noon.
Yep.
So that's when you're going to see the crazy lines out here. So get out here and get your rides while you can, folks.
Yeah. Awesome.
So, folks, that's going to do it today for the media event here at Six Flags St. Louis for Catwoman Whip. That's a great, intense ride. It's really fun. I'm glad I got to come out and experience it today. So I want to thank Kalaheo from Destination Thrills for joining us in our video today. And Travis from Adventures of CoasterDude. It's always great to hang out with those guys and have a good time. This is Tom.
This T.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks.